I'm Robert Menzies and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about a recent visit we did over to Disneyland Paris in October of 2019, and we're showing you the meet and greets we did as a family, but primarily with my daughter, who was meeting several characters around the park. What you do tend to find once you've gone and done these meet and greets is they're really great for the photos that you get to take away from the experience, and that is fantastic. But what I do want to show you through these videos is actually the experience when you're meeting the character. Unless your child tends to be really interactive, can be quite difficult. In particular with some of the characters that aren't allowed to talk back to you, which tend to be the main characters, it can actually be a very long wait in a queue for not that much when you eventually get to see them. First one that we got up is Minnie Mouse. Let's see what you think.
Not so scary, yeah?
Yeah, no, it's not her, it's not so scary, it's okay.
Look over here?
Yes.
And I'll go me. One scary boy. You guys want to jump in?
Yeah.
Images? Oh, I missed that. I'll look out for you photos if you want to step in the shop.
Cut.
For you, miss. Don't forget it. You're welcome.
Next one up we've got is Jack Skellington. Now Jack Skellington I would actually say was probably one of the best meet and greets that we did and the most interactive. Main reason being he could actually speak and was allowed to talk to the characters. Really interactive with my daughter, a lot better than the other ones did. And also I thought the little bit at the end where he plays up to the camera was a really great one. See what you think. Do you want to go and pet? Thank you.
Have a very good day.
And the card
Bye, Jack.
Oh, thank you.
What is this? Oh, hello, my friend, my little pumpkin. I'm the Pumpkin King. I hope to see you soon.
Next up we have the Queen of Hearts. I've got to say this one was a real disappointment. Luckily we didn't actually wait too long. We were actually second in the queue. I managed to get to see her pretty much straight away. Photos actually came out fantastic from this photo shoot. It was actually quite good lighting. But actually the experience that my daughter had interacting, well, as you'll see, it's really kind of flat.
We are here
Hey Meg,
queuing up for the Queen of Hearts.
who are we going to see?
Queen of Hearts.
The Queen of Hearts? Are you sure? Where is she? Over there? Are we going to go and see her as well? Meg, who are you?
I'm the Mad Hatter.
Cool.
Come on this side to the sun. Face this way and picture there's two sunnies there.
tea. That's good. Ah, it's fine.
Okay, and next one we've got is the Cheshire Cat. Now this one was not enjoyable. We must have waited for over an hour. 15 minutes into our wait it started raining. It was really wet, and we were determined that we were going to try and get Cheshire Cat, as it's a character that you don't tend to see in the park that often. So we queued up, and clearly Cheshire Cat was trying to do his best. But as he couldn't speak, and to be honest my daughter wasn't overly interactive with him, I think he was really struggling to be able to try and make any kind of experience out of it other than just standing there and having photos taken. See what you think.
Go Mick. Go Mick. Go Mick.
And now look this way, smile. One more. And last one, big smile.
Nice, look at me.
Should I do
Big smile, Meg.
Say cheese.
Ah, he doesn't say.
Oh, he doesn't sign. Oh, okay.
Do you want to try?
No.
Dance, Meg.
You want to dance, Megan? Megan. You want to dance?
Okay. Play first, come in. Yeah. Yeah, go on, you go in. You go in and I'll record.
I
can help you with
Okay, my team monitor.
And now look at me, smile.
And look, my flag.
And the last
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
And in this final section, a little bit kind of out of the blue, there was multiple rides that seemed to be closed in the park that day, and they were really conscious in Disneyland that perhaps they needed to fill up some areas where so many things were closed. Out of the blue, we suddenly got Minnie Mouse, Pluto and Mickey Mouse that suddenly appeared in a meet and greet area, and we managed to dive in and pretty much see them straight away. I would say that these were a bit more interactive and also quicker with the meet and greet. It seemed to go a little bit better, and they seemed to be a little bit more lively. And this kind of finishes off all of our meet and greets that we did in the park. Check it out and see what you think.
Hello.
Hello.
Speak English.
We do.
Welcome. Yes, you look like Mad Hatter. Yes. What's your name?
Megan the Mad Hatter.
Megan Hatter. That's nice. Have you seen Minnie Mouse the bag? Yay! It's you, Minnie.
Spin.
Can you wow, well done. Would you like a picture? Look at this way.
Very good.
Would you like a picture all together? Yeah.
Pluto, come see. Crouch down. Crouch down.
You pant like a dog?
Yeah.
Should we go in as well?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Hi, Mickey. Can't do a dance, Meg.
Good.
I like. I'm liking this.
Do you guys want a picture together?
Yes, please. Thank you so much.
Have a good day, guys.
Which way? This way?
Bye.
Bye.
If you're still with me at the end of this video, thank you for staying with me and watching through. I think the message I'm really trying to convey here, as much as it's great to go and see your meet and greets, and if you're really looking for that photo with your favourite character, then obviously you can wait and be prepared for waiting up to an hour, hour and a half to go and meet that character for what is basically going to be a really great photo that you'll be able to walk away with. But actually, if you're looking for a really interactive experience with one of those characters, you're not probably going to get the best experience from doing so. This video gave you a bit of an example of what it's going to be like and what you can expect. Obviously, if your child is different from mine and interacts a little bit more, then you might find it's a bit of a different experience. But along the way, I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope that this video was worthwhile. Thank you for watching and appreciate your time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please remember to not only like the video but also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and see you again soon.